I don't think we're going to see a large pullback in the market because the central bank is there. Every time market pulls back 5-10%, we see some sort of announcement taking place from Fed. And I think given the very strong policy support from central bank, markets are going to be supportive. But I think it's quite likely and possible that we could see a pullback of 5-10%, given the near-term headwinds, and especially if the fiscal policy stimulus is removed from the system, market might react negatively.
So, Suresh, how do you play this new bull market? Do you buy that consolidation that you're talking about? Can you pick up stocks when we see some kind of a discount taking place?
Yeah, I think the way to play that would be certainly one is to be in the market, given that cash does not yield anything or does not give you anything right now. So you certainly need to be in the market, but you need to be selective. And that's why within the equity space, we like Asian equities more as compared to the global equities, because I think in this part of the world, the rally in equity market is more fundamental driven, given that the virus is under control, economies, especially in North Asia, have been recovering, and valuations are not expensive. So the way to play that would be to be in Asia, and specifically in the new economy sectors like technology and healthcare.
Suresh, what type of catalyst is the weaker US dollar as well? I know your forecast over at CS is to see the USD continue to weaken from this point on. That gives you a preference in EM over DM. How do you play the weaker USD? And is that a trend, a market trend you expect to be providing a catalyst for EM stocks moving forward?
Yes, certainly. I think the dollar weakness will continue going forward, given that Fed is not going to hike policy rate anytime soon. And a weaker dollar is very positive for Asian equity market, emerging equity market. So the way to play that would be within Asia, markets like China, Hong Kong. They have in the past benefited from a weaker dollar. So we expect CNY to strengthen against USD, which will be positive for Chinese equities. Similarly, if you look at the Indonesia market, it's very sensitive to currency. So going forward, we expect IDR to appreciate against US dollar, which would be again positive for the Indonesia equity market. And beyond that, beyond the equity market, I think some of the bond space also offer attractive opportunity because of the weaker dollar. So the Asian high yield bonds, they tend to do well whenever dollar is weakening, or the broader Asian currencies, they appreciate against US dollar.